Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the images and confirming access. Sign into the Microsoft Teams desktop app because custom backgrounds require the desktop client. Web versus desktop behave differently. Pick a JPG or PNG, ideally 1920x 1080, and keep files under 5 MB to avoid upload failures. Once done, make a small folder for originals and resized copies so you can revert changes. You'll now open the Teams settings to reach background effects without delay. This is where you add custom images. Next, join a test meeting or open the device settings in Teams and go to More Actions, then apply background effects. Click Add New, select the prepared image file from your folder, and wait for the preview to render. Teams generates a composited view to show placement. Make sure to check subject edges, use the blur option to spot halos. Once confident, click Apply to set the background for this meeting, or Apply and turn on video to use it immediately. You can repeat to add more images. Finally, manage and troubleshoot backgrounds so they remain reliable. Go to Background Effects to remove or reorder images. Deleting an image removes it from your list, but keep originals in your folder if you need them later. If Teams refuses an image, check file type, size, and confirm you're on the latest desktop version. If edges flicker or video won't show the background, restart Teams, update the app, and verify camera drivers. These fixes resolve most problems. One quick tip: toggle hardware acceleration off if compositing acts unstable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.